In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a photo to the footer in Kit. We'll walk through exactly where to click, what to look for, and a few best practices so your footer image looks professional and displays correctly in your emails. To get started, open Kit and head to the main navigation. At the top, look for the section labeled Send. This is where all of your outbound email tools live. Hover over or click on Send, and from the drop-down or menu options that appear, choose Email Templates. This will take you to a list of all the templates you've created or have access to in your account. Next, find the template you're currently using for your email campaigns. This might be your newsletter template, your promotions template, or a general default template. Click directly on the name of that template to open it in the editor. Give it a second to load. Once it does, you'll see your email layout, including the header, body content, and footer areas. Now, we want to work specifically in the footer. Scroll down to the very bottom of the editor until you see the footer section, which usually contains things like your unsubscribe link, your mailing address, or your company information. Click into that footer area, just below the main content block. You should see a text cursor or some kind of outline appear, indicating you're editing that section. On the left side of the line where your cursor is, you'll see a small plus icon. Click that plus icon to open the content options. From the available block types, select Image. This tells Kit that you want to insert an image block right inside your footer. At this point, you'll be prompted to choose your image. You can either upload a file directly from your computer, or, if you've already uploaded it before, you can select it from the Kit Media library. When choosing an image, try to use a file that's clear, not too large in file size, and sized appropriately for a footer, so it doesn't overwhelm the rest of the content. Once the image is inserted, you can usually adjust things like alignment or size if needed. Take a moment to preview how it looks alongside your other footer details. When you're happy with everything, go to the top right corner of the screen and click Save. This step is crucial. If you forget to save, your changes won't appear in your future emails. That's it. Your email template now has a photo in the footer, and any email sent using this template will include that new image automatically.